Welcome to our guide on generating Excel add-in ready files with Process Runner. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create an Excel file that allows end users to execute SAP processes directly from Excel without the need for any additional applications. Setting up the data. To begin, open the home ribbon of your MM02 transaction automation script that has already been recorded. If your data set is an external Excel file, you'll need to locate and link it to the script before generating the Excel add-in ready file. The option to save your Excel add-in ready file can be found in the Generate Template dropdown located in the home ribbon. Configuring the Excel add-in ready file. In the Generate Excel add-in ready file window, you'll find various settings to prepare your file. You have options such as embedding the current process file directly into the linked Excel file, adding the path and file name as a reference, an option typically used in networked environments that also enables optimized performance when an EHERA file is used as a reference, and embedding all connected process files into the Excel add-in ready file. Selecting and managing process files. Next, select the process files you want to embed. You can choose files from your local system or a shared location. The embedded process file list will include the original process file you want to embed, as well as any additional files you wish to add. To add more files, click the folder icon, navigate to the desired file, and select it. Use the Settings button to configure additional options, such as changing the display text for the process file. For example, you can rename MM02 to Change Material. You can also rearrange the order of the process files using the up-down buttons or remove files by selecting them and clicking the Remove button. Generating the Excel add-in ready file. Finally, click the Generate button to embed the selected process files into your Excel file. You can save the file on your local system or a shared location. In this example, we'll embed the MM02 process file into the Change Materials Excel sheet we linked earlier and then click Generate. Once generated, the Excel window will flicker as the process is embedded, and a notification will confirm that the Excel file is ready to be used with the Process Runner Excel add-in. Running the embedded process file. Now, open the Process Runner tab in the Excel sheet. You'll see the process file embedded in the Processes dropdown. You can simply click the Run button, log into SAP, and execute the process file directly from Excel. With the Process Runner Excel add-in, end users don't need to have Process Runner installed on their computers. And there you have it, an easy way to generate Excel add-in ready files with Process Runner, streamlining your workflow and making SAP process execution simpler than ever. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us via this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight software product documentation using the link provided in the description.